So recently I got a flat while I was in West Virginia. I was at a racetrack and my front right wheel started leaking air right from where the barrel and the face meet. It's a 3-piece Fixaflat, and I had no other option but to use Fixaflat because the Lotus doesn't have a spare. Today I'll be showing you why you don't use Fixaflat. So on 3-piece wheels, there's a inner barrel and an outer barrel, and then there's this bead of silicone where they meet. That's exactly what was leaking. So didn't really have any other options since you can't just get the tire replaced since that's not what was leaking. And the thing doesn't have a spare. So if I were to get this rebuilt, which most shops don't do, it'll also take a 24-hour period. And I didn't want to be in West Virginia all week. Oh. This is why you don't use Fixaflat.
Every mechanic will fucking hate you.
Oh, gross.
You got a milkshake in your car.
As you can see, it's almost like filling your wheel and tire with Elmer's glue, which is not only messy, but can also cause damage to your tire pressure monitor sensor.
Oh, thank you.
That's fine. Oof. Oh, man. I'm sorry, Zach.
Oh, you're cleaning this now.
Yeah. Ooh. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.